If your windshield wiper blades are dirty or haven't been cleaned in a while, and if you don't have access to WD-40, if you wear eyeglasses or sunglasses, you might just have some of these in your console or your glove box. These two brands here do contain a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, and they each list a detergent. And a general rule is you don't want to put alcohol and rubber together because long term it can degrade it. But in the case of a consumable like a windshield wiper blade, it's not expected to last you year after year. You're lucky to get 2 or 3 years max out of them anyway. And I think these are okay for an emergency wiper cleaning. So I've got a Honda Civic outside with some really dirty blades on it that haven't been cleaned all summer and all fall, and it's late November now. We'll go outside and we'll just compare each kind. The microfiber lens wipes are really tough and they hold together. So let's go out and we'll see what kind of a job they do. Okay, we'll try the microfiber first. We'll fold them again. I'm not worried about the alcohol content hurting the rubber. These need to be replaced anyway. Okay, well, from the looks of things, the Zeiss has a little bit better detergent. This is the microfiber, the Equate brand. The Zeiss lens was wetter. It definitely had more of a solution in it. This wasn't a contest, but it's pretty easy to see from a pure dirt standpoint which one won. Looks like the Zeiss product is a clear winner on that. The cloth held up better on the Zeiss than I thought it would. Here I just doubled it. It tears very easy. Let's see what this thing does if you double it and try to tear it. It does, but it's very tough. The Zeiss may tear easy, but it sure cleaned well. So what my intent is, after using these, when I get home or as soon as I get access to WD-40, I am going to wipe the blades down with WD-40 if I'm not going to go ahead and install new blades on. Well, I hope it helped out. These are easy to carry around. Throw some in your glove box, in your console. You need them for eyeglasses and sunglasses anyway. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Stay safe out there.